Hello guys, welcome back to today's edition of our update. This is the latest update called loan update. Loan update. Why they give out no be say this update you go dey give out loan, give clients, get specific sites where you go bomb. You know this update never cast. Not just one level no say never cast on this show. I don't chop for this work. I know how many clients. So what this update be BBC, you tell them say normal you go tell them say they give out loans, personal loans, house loan, business loan, long term, short term, you understand? Tell them say they give out those type of loans. You dey get now wetin you go dey tell them normally. So wetin go sup be say come tell am say okay, you no need a good or bad credit score. Your credit score need to dey bad. So that because you need to dey bomb, no be only just USC you go dey bomb everybody. And na two places dem dey bomb this work, YouTube and IG. So why this work dey be say the client go talk say okay, he wan take $10,000. You say okay, $10,000. You have to deposit $1,000. So you understand? 1% of wetin you wan carry. So you dey get 1% of wetin you wan carry. Now you go deposit. Na so it just dey be. I wan just explain am well for you, make you understand. And you need the format for this thing. Just more for the may I fairly explain this thing well. And remember, subscribe to this YouTube channel. This video is just for educational purpose. I just dey knack una this update so una take dey pay. Because you dey give out loan, you no dey scam anybody, you are not scamming anyone. You understand what I mean? You are not scamming anyone. They are just going to deposit. Let me see. If client dey say na $50, if na $50 you wan carry as loan, you deposit like let me see $5,000. Understand? Something like that. You go deposit na $10,000 you wan carry. You deposit $1,000 before you go give am. That one na before you go give am loan, but you get some specific details make you go collect so that I go believe you. So that's why I say you need the format. You need format, pics, and name you want use. No just carry. You go dey use any name you want. You have to use some names. Now me go drop those one for you. So you have to use some names. I go show you how to bomb clients now. Normal, I dey show now for WhatsApp, for IG. I will show now how to bomb clients. Normal, understand? So just subscribe. Now. If you never say subscribe, and this video is just for educational purpose only, please. So you understand. So you understand what I dey talk. So before you start, you need to collect some specific. Not be just say. Now you go message and say I'm interested, because the site make the bomb. Those loan sites. Why the YouTube site be say okay. Man, I will show now on that video for the YouTube site. So now those sites you want the bomb without now see loan sites. So people they will want loan. Then I say okay. Like this now. Drop these details. So do you need a loan? You ask a personal loan or business loan, short term or long term. But I don't tell you, I see the one be say you have to deposit before you go collect the loan. Deposit. Once you don't deposit, you go say okay, send your bank account. And you go give one time you want to pay. So I will show now how to work on my clients. So let's move over. I'm gonna show now. You get see people when don't message me. You see this one. Just now, now you don't message me. See this one now. See 3 minutes ago. I just need the credit account. I don't put my other account, so that make sure just boost them. Make this network load my show. Next client don't chat me say mama dey sick. So maybe you say one collect like 5k. I don't like say me deposit $500. Come and say. So you get so now so the work be. You see now this client, I'm just helping her get a loan. Please just subscribe to this video and don't use it on harm anyone. You understand? So you get. So now so the work be. Message me for the pics. I'll give you the pics, the format. and the name to use and site to bomb. As I said before, you have a specific site to bomb. I need to boost your account. Now me go give you pick, leave those one for me. You need to boost your account. This update now, latest work, you never cast. You don't hear say loan update for even CL safe go believe say this one they want give me. You understand? Go be like say they give them. So just this one are legit work, no use and play. Just find way boost your account, they boost your account, message me, they get. So once you just find way get a account, a good one, even though you create so far you boost the account, followers is okay, you are good to go. So you understand? You just message me if you need more explanation, I'll let you know. But you know how the work they be, if at loan go say maybe you want let's say you want 10k dollars. Let's say na in 2 months you go dey pay am. You say okay, let's say na 10k dollars. See inside that 10k dollars now, you have to deposit $1,000 first. Now that one na be your money. Make you want chop for there. You understand? Make deposit $1,000. Make it dey. So you understand? So you need to drop that one first. Once you deposit that $1,000, then the work don't sweet for you. You understand? So you go deposit so that you got to you need to deposit money so that we go dey sure. Say you want this work, you go dey sure say you want this job and you go pay back in the limited time they give you. So you get. So if you just need this, I'll drop my number in the comment section. Those watching from outside, please subscribe to this channel. I'll drop my number there, or I'll drop the WhatsApp group description link. In the description link, I'll drop the WhatsApp link there. So just subscribe. If you know I say subscribe to this YouTube channel, please subscribe and like this video and share. And remember, this video is just for educational purpose, so that you be wise. So you go dey wise. So if person want tell you say he want give you loan, make you dey wise. Make you know say na FMT. You understand? So bro, as I said before, message me for the FMT, the pictures and people to use for 3k. If you come my DM, we talk. We settle ourselves. You understand? So you get. Just subscribe. So guys, bye for now. So I say if you come my DM, we'll settle. We talk with you and talk. You get. This kind of update, I know if they drop them for free for one of the use. We'll see they pay one they see them now. All this kind of stuff, don't they drop them for free. Is what you have to get what you want. And be this life, you understand? No many people will not scam me for this work. If you bomb this work for Facebook, if you bomb for Facebook, if you want bomb for YouTube, be free. So Gmail, I have to spend up to 5 years. Your Gmail, so that if you post anything, they know if you delete it. So you understand? So not be saying nothing run out for YouTube, Facebook or IG. Let me go drop. I don't talk on. Let me go drop you those ones, those pictures for more. Just message me. Just tell me, see, bro, I beg, I will see what I can help you with. So you get, just subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share. You get and share, please. This video just for educational purpose only. Bye for now.